Okay, find a level parking lot and something to shine the lights on. And the distance from the car to this gate is 25 feet. And you can see right now that the headlights are low. You want the beams not to be shining up, but to be just slightly down from where they are at 25 feet. And I'll walk you through the process here. Okay, so this is how to aim the headlights. Just roughly, if you want to be very precise, take it to a shop that can do it precisely. But we just worked on the headlights. We removed the headlight assembly on both sides, and the headlights are shooting too low. So we're going to get them right in the ballpark range. And to do that, you need the height of the bulb, and you could simply stand on your leg, put a finger center of it. We're going to walk over here. Okay, so right here, so I'm going to mark it with some spit. That should be the level we're looking at. You can see right now that they're low. Now these particular lights, this is a 2010 Chevy Malibu. You can only adjust the lights up and down. You cannot adjust them side to side. So I'll show you how to do that next.
I'm in the video.
You're gonna need a long screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. This is extra long. This is a Pittsburgh, got this at Harbor Freight Tools, both a flat edge and a Phillips for like $5.99. But right here is where you adjust. Can you get that, Rach? Straight down there is the adjustment screw. And again, you need the long handled, there it is. Now we should be able to, I'm going to turn it clockwise and see if it goes up or down. It's going up. See that? You see the skid mark? Yeah. Right there?
No, hold this to the phone to the right.
So you go clockwise to raise the light. And we should be able to see it over here. There's going up. So this one's going higher, like it should. Okay, so the beams are higher than they were before. Still lower than the actual headlight, which is good. You want them shining down slightly. You don't want them shining upward. And so the driver's side is a little bit lower, which is fine. And then the passenger side a little bit higher on the right side for reading road signs. Okay, you can see the lights are a lot better, a lot more visibility. You can see further down the road here. You can read the road signs on the right. And again, without a whole lot of tools, this is a quick way to aim those headlights. If you want them to be more precise, take it to a professional. Now, this is Scott with Scott's Garage. If you got any value at all from this video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. Please also subscribe to Scott's Garage, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.